Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Manorma, and today I am going to discuss some other question of RX Agarwal, that is exercise 1C. In previous video, we discussed exercise 1A and 1B, and today we will discuss 1C. So let's start, student. That is question number 16. Other question are easy. You can solve yourself. What is given? The cost of chair is rupees 1485. How much will 469 such chairs cost? Okay, student, it means what is given? Cost of one chair is equal to rupees 1485. Clear, students? Now you have to find out cost of 469 chairs. So student, what you will do? Simply one chair, cost of one chair is 1485. So cost of 469 chair, what you will do? You will do simply multiplication. So 1485 multiplied by 469. Clear, student? Now 9 5 ja 45, 9 8 ja 72, 72 and carry 4, it will become 76, 6, फिर 9 4 ja 36, 36 and 7 carry. Clear, student? So student, 9 4 ja 36, 36 and 7 43 and 9 1 ja 9 and 4 30. Clear, student? Now again 6 5 ja 30, 6 8 ja 48 and 3 51, 6 4 ja 24 or 5 29, 6 1 ja 6 and 7 8. Now next 4 5 ja 20, 4 8 ja 32 plus 2 34, 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7. Clear, students? Here students, 4 5 ja 20, 4 8 ja 32 plus 2 34, 4 4 ja 16, 16 and 3 19 and 4 1 ja 4 and 5. Clear, student? Now you have to add. This will become 5, this will become 6, this will become 4, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 3 16, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18 and 19 and 5 plus 1 6. Clear, student? So student, this is your answer. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Clear, student? So 6,96,465 is the cost of 469 chairs. Clear, students? Now come on, next question, that is 18. This is quite same. A factory produces 6,985 screws per day. Means in one day, factory produces 6,985 screws. Clear, students? So what you have to find out? How many screws will it produce in 358 days? So you have to find out screw produces in 358 days. Same you have to do. What you have to do, students? You have to do multiplication. 6,985 multiply by 358. Clear, student? Now 8 5 ja 40, 8 8 ja 64 plus 4 68, 8 9 ja 72, 72 plus 6 78, 8 6 ja 48, 48 and 7 55. Clear, students? Now next is 5 5 ja 25, 5 8 ja 40, 40 plus 2 42, 5 9 ja 45, 45 plus 4 49, 5 6 ja 30, 30 plus 4 34. Now again 3 5 ja 15, 3 8 ja 24 plus 1 25, 3 9 ja 27, 29 because carries 2, with 3 6 ja 18, 19 20. Now you have to add, students. this will become 0, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15 and 1 16, 9 plus 9 18, 18 and 5, so student 9 and 5 plus 5 10, 19, 19 plus 1 20, फिर 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2 20, 3 and 2 become 5 and this is 2. Clear students? So this is your correct answer. So company will produce ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 25 lakh 630 screws in 358 days. Clear students? Now come to the next question students. What is given? The mass of a brick is 2 kilograms 750 gram. The mass of the brick is 2 kilograms 750 gram. What is the total mass of 14 such bricks? Clear students? What is given? The mass of one brick is equal to 2 kilogram 750 gram students. Clear? Now you have to find out mass of 14 bricks. Acha, first you have to convert in same quantity. Means you know that 1 kilogram equal to what? 1000 gram. Clear? There what you can write down? 2000, because 2 kilogram is given, so 2 multiply 1000, 2000 plus 750, so it will become 2750 gram. Okay students, now you have to find out the mass of 14 bricks. Clear students? So it will become what? 2750 multiplied by 14. Clear student? So multiply it. 400, 4 5 are 20, 4 7 are 28 plus 2 30, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 100, 1 5 are 5, 177, 1 2 are 2. Clear student? So this will become 0 0 5 8 3. Yani this is your answer is in gram. Clear student? Now you have to find out in kilogram and gram. So you know that 38 and 500. अब you know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Clear? So you will divide it by 1000 because you have to convert in kilogram. Clear student? So it will come what? 38 kg means kilogram and 500 gram. Clear students? This is your solution. You have to find out the weight of the 14 such bricks. So the mass of one brick is given 2 kilogram 750 gram. Now you have to convert in same quantity, means all are in gram. 2 kilogram means 2000, 750 gram is also given. So both become 2750 gram. Now what you do? You have to do multiplication. Then you will get 38,500 gram is the total mass of brick. This answer is also correct, but this is in gram. If you have to find out in kilogram, what you will do? You will divide it by 1000. So when you will divide, it will come 38.500. So this is 38 kilogram and 500 gram. Clear students? Now student, this is your exercise 1D. Very easy question. Round off to the nearest 10. Student, you know the rule. So round off to the nearest 10. So what you will see student? You will see the nearest ones. Clear student? Here nearest one is 3. 1 is 3. अब you have to check it by comparing it to the 5. So 3 is less than 5. You know that? Clear student? So if 3 is less than 5, it means this number becomes 0 and there is no increment of tens place. If there is any digit, means let us assume 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So you can increase tens digit by 1 and ones digit by 0. This rule I explained in previous video. So round off to the nearest 10. So you will see nearest ones. Ones is 3. 3 is less than 5. So what? It will become 0 and this will become 170. Clear students? Now come on next question. This is the same question. Round off to the nearest 100. Acha, here nearest 10 you have to find out, here nearest 100. So if nearest 100 you have to find out, so what you will see? You will see nearest tens. Clear students? So here nearest tens is 5. Clear? So 5 is equal to 5. Ab according to rule, if the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you will increase 1. Clear student? Increase 1 in 100 means the question which is given. You have to find out nearest 100. So you will see nearest 10. Nearest 10 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. If equal 5 or greater than 5, then you will increase 1 into the nearest, you will increase 1 to the 100. 1 tens 100. So this will become 3. So this will become 1, same, and 3, and rest other is 0. Clear student? So this is your solution. Now next is round off to the nearest 1000. Up here you can say, sir, here only 1 tens 100 is given. So no problem. You can write down 0, 7, 9, 3. Clear students? Now you know that for nearest 1000, what you have to see? You have to see nearest 100. So your nearest 100 is 7. Clear student? 7, you know that 7 is greater than what? 7 is greater than 5. Clear student? So what you will do? You will increase 1. So here it will become 1 and other number become 0. So this will become 1000. Why 1000? Clear? I know why 1000, because 1 tens 100. 100 place is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So what is the rule? If number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, you have to increase 1. And what is given in the question? Nearest 1000. So 1 tens 100. 1000 is 0. So you will increase 1 in 1000. Clear student? This will become 1000. Clear students? Acha. Now come on, next question. Estimate sum to the nearest 10. This is also very easy question, student. Based on the same pattern, you have to find out nearest 10. Clear? So for 57, first we will solve for 57. So you know that for 57, first you will see ones place. So ones place is 7. Clear student? We know that 7 is what? 7 is greater than 5. Clear student? So what it will become? Here you will increase 1. So this will become what? 6, and this will become 0. This is according to the rule. Now come on 34. So for 34, you will revise the same pattern. For 34, you will see the nearest ones. Nearest ones is what? 4. So 4 is what? Less than 5. So what you will do? You will not increase anything in the tens place. So here it will become what? This will become 30. So what is the result, student? 57 become what? 57 become 60, and this 34 become what? 34 become, this is 30, and you have to find out sum, student. So 60 plus 30 become what? 90. Clear student? This is very easy. You have to focus only on rule. Now next is same question. What is given? Also you have to find out nearest 10. So again for 43, you have to check. Here ones is 3. Nearest ones is 3. So 3 is, student, less than 5. Clear? So what you will do? You will not increase anything in 4. And 3 becomes 0. So this will become what? 43. Sorry. 43 become 40. Clear, students? Reason you know that? Because this is the ones place. 1 place is 3. 3 is less than 5. Now come on 78, student. 78. Now 78. So in 78, you can see ones place is 8. And you know that 8 is greater than 5. If 8 is greater than 5, student, so what is the rule? Rule is you will increase 1 to the tens place. So 7, and this will become 78 is given. So this 7 become 8, and this will become 0. Clear, student? This is the rule. Means 43 become 40 and 78 become 80. Clear, student? So what is the sum of this? This will become 40 and this will become 80. Clear, student? And the sum of 40 and 80, you know that 0 0, 8 plus 4 is 12. Clear student? This is your answer. So I think everything is clear students. If you have to see nearest 10, so what you will see? You will see the nearest ones. If you have to see nearest tens, you will see nearest ones. If you have to see nearest 100, so you will see nearest tens. And if you have to see nearest 1000, so you will see nearest what? 100. Clear student? And always you will compare to the 5. If number is greater than or equal to 5, then you will increase 1 according to the question. Otherwise number become 0. Clear student? So this is till exercise 1D students. So in next video we will discuss some other question related to this exercise. Some exercise left. So student, do practice. By the practice you can understand better. Okay student? So thank you.